Good afternoon, girls. I'm going to touch on another topic. It's the topic that we left off and we were still busy with at the end of last term, which seems a very, very long time ago. We were talking about units of time, and we were talking about converting units from one unit of time to another. Now, what we did touch on with some classes, and that was how to add and subtract units of time. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go through how we add and subtract units of time. I'm going to start off with addition and just do this video with addition, and then I'll do another one with the subtraction. Okay, let's go. When we add units of time, we will have to remember how to convert from one unit of time to another. So, let's for example look at this one. If I have got 5 years, and remember the A is the Latin word annus, annum for year, and 8 months, and we are going to add, you see that, 2 years and 11 months. Now, if I have a look at that, we can't just add them like that. So what we have to do, we have to start and add with the lower unit of time, the months that are going to become years. So we've got 8 months plus 11 months. Okay, so we've got 19 months, but they don't fit in the months column, because the biggest number you can put in there is 11 months, because if it was 12 months, then it would become a year. So we've got to take those 19 months and we've got to divide them up into years and months. So we are going to divide it by 12. So we're going to say 12 into 19 is 1 year and 7 months. So how are we going to do this? We are going to take the 7 months and we're going to move it and leave it in the months column. This year we're going to take and let it add up with those years. So 1 plus 5 is 6 and 2 is 8 years and 7 months. Alright, let's try another one. I'm going to try 5 hours, 23 minutes. So we can say 5 hours and 23 minutes. And we are going to add 3 hours and 48 minutes. Now we also have to ask ourselves, how many minutes are there in an hour? And there are 60 minutes in an hour. So we are going to start adding at the lower unit of time, which is the minutes, which are going to become hours. So I'm going to say 23 plus 48. Well, we can add them. 3 plus 8 is 11, and 1 plus 2 is 3 and 4. I've got 71 minutes. So how many minutes in an hour? We've got 60. So that 71 does not fit there. So I'm going to have to break that up into hours and minutes. So I'm going to say, how many groups of 60 can I make out of 71? It's 1 hour and 11 minutes. So I'm going to take my 11 minutes and leave it in the minutes column, and take my hour and add it over. So 1 plus 5 is 6, and 3, it's 8 hours and 11 minutes. Alright, I'm going to do 1 or 2 more using different units of time. And let's see. Just clean off this board and dry it off. Otherwise the pens are not going to work. Alright, let's take something. Let's have 6 days and 14 hours plus 5 days and 19 hours. So how many hours in a day? That's right, they're 24. Alright, so we're going to always start adding here at the hours. So we're going to say 14 hours plus 19 hours. 9 and 4 is 13, carry the 1. So we've got 33 hours. Now, I cannot put the 33 hours in there because it's too big. The biggest number that you can have there is 23. Because if it was 24, it would become another day. So, I'm going to divide by 24. And I'm going to say, how many groups of 24 can I make out of 33? So, it's going to be 1 day and 33, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33 is 9 hours. Let's just check that is correct. Alright, 24, 67, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Yes. So we're going to leave my 9 hours there and take this day to be added there. So we've got 12 days and 9 hours. Alright. I'm going to do another one here, and I'm going to say 5 years and 2 months plus 8 years and 11 months. Okay. So I have to add at the lower unit of time. So what am I saying now? I'm going to say 11 plus 2, we've got 13 months. Now, 12 months makes a year. So it's 1 year and 1 month. So I'm going to leave the 1 month over there, and I'm going to take the 1 year over. So 1 plus 8 is 9 and 5 is 14 years and 1 month.